In this simulation video, we'll be showing the process to install the 3.5-inch post-to-pier mount. Before we get started, here's a list of the recommended tools and safety equipment you'll want to have on hand when working with our Evolution steel framing product. The process will begin from the point where the concrete has fully cured and is ready to start receiving the mounting hardware. Before attaching hardware, it's best to ensure that all the pier mounts will be aligned according to the perimeter of the build or drawing layout. Once mounts are aligned as needed, take a Sharpie or pencil and mark the center of the mounts. Then set the mount aside for now and take a hammer drill with a 3/8 concrete bit and drill into the center point of the mark. After that, hammer or insert a 3/8-inch anchor bolt that's at least 3 inches long into the pillar. Next, set the mount over the bolt and check for alignment once again. With the mount aligned, install the washer and nut for the bolt. Afterwards, set the standoff piece into the mount. The standoff piece is used to help allow for additional drainage under the post. With the post-to-pier mount prepared, it's ready to receive a post assembly. So with assistance, seat a post assembly into the mounting hardware until it rests on the standoff. Then secure the post assembly into the pier mount with 8 Evolution self-tapping screws, filling the 2 holes on each side of the mount to complete the pier-to-post connection. Repeat this process as needed for any other pier mounts in the deck build. Know that all posts must be temporarily braced until fully stabilized and permanently connected with framing or other structural members. For deck frames, this means that all beams, joists, hangers, and any blocking that shores up the structure should be in place before the bracing can be removed. In short, the deck frame should be fully assembled and secured first before bracing is removed from the assembly. For more information on our steel deck framing products, including where to buy, stop by our website at fortressbp.com/framing. And don't forget to check out our other Evolution steel framing videos as we continue to help our customers steal the show.